Mount Rundle. And a beautiful Bow Valley. And a cliff here. Welcome to my channel, Live on Alberta. My name is Kerry and I love hiking. My videos will show you all aspects of the trail and the unparalleled beauty of our Canadian Rockies. Today we'll be summiting Tunnel Mountain in Banff National Park, a short little hike. The trail is 4.4 kilometers out and back with an elevation gain of 268 meters. Well, today we're in the town of Banff and we're going to be hiking up Tunnel Mountain. Temperature is about -5 degrees Celsius. And here we go. This is a very popular trail, and I would not even attempt it if you don't have cleats. Beautiful mountain there. It's a short hike, but it does have some elevation gain, so. Trail's leveled off. For a second anyhow. And there's Banff to our left. And beautiful mountains behind it. Our first switchback. Over the years, I've hiked this trail a few times. This is my first time in the winter. And there's Sulfur Mountain. See the smoke there? They're doing some burning there to kill the pine beetle. We're half a K in, and this is the upper road. I think it's closed in the wintertime. Okay, some stairs, and then I think we've got quite a few switchbacks coming up. We got some deer here. Chowing down. Not sure how we're gonna get around these guys. Just stay wide. Hi. It's a mama and two babies. We're at 0.9K here. Okay, I'll leave those deer be. And we'll keep on trucking. There's our first view of the Banff Springs Hotel. Opening up nicely here. Beautiful view. We're 1.3K in. A little bit steeper here. And that's Mount Rundle in front of us there. We're 1.9K in. Really opening up now. Okay, now we're going to get some views on the other side of Tunnel Mountain here in a couple minutes. Mount Rundle. And a beautiful Bow Valley. And a cliff here. I think we're getting close to the top. One thing that's nice, you got lots of little lookouts on this side. There's the money shot of Rundle. And the red chairs. Can't complain with that view. Very cool. We're almost there. Woohoo! We're gonna say this is the summit here. 2.5K to the summit of Town of Mountain. A little bit windy on this side. I'm gonna go over here. Find a nice little spot for lunch. One thing I'm loving right now is this 16-ounce thermos. Got a spoon on the top there. And I've got noodles in there. Mr. Noodles, actually. Nice hot lunch. The other thing I have here is heated socks. So when I get to where my destination is, turn my socks on. Well, after a great lunch and a beer, here's the view from this side. And one last view looking this way. Look at how beautiful that water is. Cool. Well, we're almost back at the car now, so do a little recap. About 2.5K up and about 2.5K down. So a little over 5 in total. About 270 meters in elevation gain. But an easy 270 meters because they have a lot of switchbacks. Trail's well packed. but I highly recommend cleats, where you're going to slip and slide a little bit. Lots of people on the trail today. It's a Tuesday. Can't imagine this on the weekends. And that lower parking lot is very small, so a lot of people must be walking into the trailhead. But yeah, if you're in Banff or the Banff area, you want to do a little hike, this one's awesome. The beginning here is pretty much the steepest of the entire hike. And we're back. Woohoo! Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and a comment would be greatly appreciated. In my next video, we will be hiking up the King Creek Canyon to see 3 beautiful frozen waterfalls. If you would like to see more hiking videos, subscribe to my channel Live on Alberta, where I feature over 95 hikes. Cheers!